discuss about one important topic today. What is that is like here down payment process with the purchase order. Like here, if you do the advance payment, how to do in the SAP, we can see there is a purchase order level also. We can do down payment process. So here, interviewer also they may ask the question, can you may explain me about how to do the down payment process in purchase order? So in that case, how to do? Like I will show you like practical example how to create the down payment process in SAP purchase order level. Like here, if I go to ME21N and there is a place, I will give supplier details. I will give purchase organization, purchasing group, company code I will maintain. I will give after that there is a material, I will maintain it. After that, I will give account assignment category and then I will maintain the plant also I will give it. After that, I will give quantity. Then I will go. There is a down payment purpose. What happen? There is item details. There is a invoice tab. Invoice level. There is a category. Here you can choose the mandatory down payment. How much you want to do? There is a 5,000 is the down payment. That is a 50%. We are making advance payment. In that case, you can maintain here. After that, look here any issues you can check. There is invoice level. We can maintain the down payment. Interviewer, they may ask the question about, tell me like in header level also, can we maintain the down payment? Yes, there is a payment processing level. Here also we can do same thing like item details. What we are doing is same way we can do header levels also. We can create the down payment. That options we have. Okay. Now what happened? I will create this PO. Now this is down payment PO has been created. Next, what should I do is I need to create the down payment. So in the FI, down payment purpose F-43, 48 is the transaction code. Now here we will go, there is ME2DB transaction code. What is the transaction code? ME2DB. Here purchase order down payment purpose. You can give PO number. Let's click on execute. There is a 50%, 5,000 is the down payment. Let's here select and click on create down payment. Here you have to select like here down payment purpose. You can give second button. Okay, there is a radio button second. After that, you can enter like here how much that value you want to down payment as a 5,000. We are doing advance payment 5,000. Let's click on execute here, enter here. After that, automatically it is going to F-48. Okay, it is going to directly F-48. Here you can maintain special GL indicator. You can maintain here. There is a account. After that, enter. Here you can the date. After that, you can enter automatically vendor account debit to HDFC out account is credited. Okay. Now what will I do? Like here, you can save. Now down payment has been created. Document number 1 by series, it has been created. Next I will do, there is a MIGO. I will do that purchase order number. What is the number? 85. Enter. And here you can see there is item. Okay, you can enable it. After that, check. There is no issue. Click on post. Now there is a MIRO document. MIGO document has been posted. GR has been posted. Like here, you want to see there is a display option. After that, automatically here it will show there is a financial document number that is regarding to financial document number. What is the document number? What is the document type? W is a goods receipt. So here we posted GR. Next, I will go to there is a MIRO. Here I will give like that PO number. Here also I will maintain the PO number and here 10,000 is a value. Here I will maintain 10,000 value. After that, here you can see like here tax procedure issue we are getting means there is a tax procedure. Country India, you can change to like our tax procedure. Then I will go again MIRO transaction code and I will enter the details for the invoice purpose. Like here, I will give PO number. There is a business place I will maintain. Here I will give, there is a value of 10,000. I will maintain, simulate, entered and post. Now there is a MIRO also has been posted. After this, now down payment you need to convert it as a normal payment. I will go to, there is F dash 54 transaction code. You can go here. There is an invoice and process down payment. Vendor is not defined for the company code. Like here, what is the invoice I need to take? Let's see, I will go to here ME23N. Here I will take, what is the document number? Is it document number? Go to F dash 54. And here if I give this document, what happened? It relevant invoice does not exist. Okay. Means here we are getting this document not allowing. Let's I go. There is regarding to document number. Can I give this document number? Let's see. I will give it. Now here no down payment exist. So currently it is showing as a no down payment exist. Why it is showing? So currently what happened? There is a 5,000, 5,000, 5,000. Three down payments are available. So here we need to clear. Let's see if I want to clear, how can I clear it? This down payment. Process the down payment. If I given, let's enter, automatically it is showing as a 3 items. But which, like here, what can I give? Should I post? Like here, any invoice? Not required. Why? Because already we posted invoice. Now you have to convert this down payment amount into normal amount. You have to convert. So after that, what happened? Like here, simulate. There is a select item 1, 2, 3. Let's see what happened. If I go here, simulate. Here you can see there is a automatically converting down payment to normal invoice. And here, if I save document as a converter to normal invoice, if I go to FBL1N, I will see what is the value is available. There is a value is 1,25,000. This is a value you have to clear. Okay. That value you have to clear. If I go to F-04, I will give here outgoing payment, choose open item. I will take the 310101 is a vendor. And here I will take a special GL indicator A. Let's see what is our vendor code. Yes, I will give process open item. There is a 1,25,000. Okay. We can see 1,25,000 positive. If I go to, there is a 50. And here I will give bank account 50. And here I will give bank account. I will give 1,25,000. The date also I will give simulate. Simulate it. There is a ABC vendor. There is a like here two invoices are available. So now you are clearing. So this is the way you have to do down payment process with the vendor. Okay. So in upcoming session, I will explain about there are the GRIR clearing. There is a month-end activity. There is auto clearing process. How to do it, way to do it. I will explain. Okay. Thank you.